Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change password on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click account, and here you will find password. Click on it, and here as you see just type your current password, and after this enter your new password and click change password, and it will be changed, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.